In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete beginner-friendly workflow for turning your long-form recordings into a stack of ready-to-post clips fast. AI editing has come such a long way, and today I want to show you exactly how I'm using Vizard to automate the heavy lifting of video production. I've included a link in the description for a free trial to help you get started, so grab that if you want to follow along with this tutorial. First, simply head over to Vizard's website to sign up, and since it runs right in your browser, it works seamlessly on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Once you're logged in, hit the New Project button and choose the format that best matches your source material, like long-form to clips. Importing footage is effortless because you can upload files directly, paste a YouTube link, or pull content straight from cloud storage like Google Drive. Vizard starts analyzing and transcribing your video immediately, so you can actually begin previewing your results while the rest of the file is still uploading. If you are familiar with other transcript-based editors, the interface will feel very comfortable. But Vizard is specifically built around social-first clip generation. The real magic happens under the AI Tools tab, where you can easily run automated tasks like silence removal and filler word cleanup. I recommend using the Auto Clips feature, which scans your entire video to find those punchy, high engagement moments that are perfect for social media. You have full control over the pacing, so I usually set the gap shortening to collapse pauses over 1 second down to a tighter 0.3 of a second. Don't forget to use the filler word remover, which lets you customize exactly which words like or ah get cut, keeping your natural cadence intact. Vizard's take management system is another massive time saver, as it automatically detects your best takes and ignores the mistakes. If you prefer a hands-off approach, the Smart Edit presets can combine these steps into one single pass with varying levels of intensity. My favorite feature is the Smart Assistant, where you can create custom prompts to tell the AI exactly how you like your clips to be formatted. I saved a workflow that removes filler words, tightens pauses, and keeps my final takes, allowing me to apply this logic every single time. Once the autopass finishes, you can manually fine-tune by highlighting text to cut, rearranging segments, or restoring any lines you want to keep. Scenes and layouts are how Vizard handles visual changes, like switching to a close-up or adding an overlay without losing your existing edits. When you need to add visuals, the built-in stock library lets you drop in professional B-roll clips without ever leaving the editing workspace. Titles and captions are just as easy to add, and you can choose from different modern styles to ensure your video is engaging even on mute. For audio, use the built-in AI enhancement tool to clean up your voice track, reducing background noise and leveling your audio automatically. You can also enable audio ducking, which is a game changer because it automatically lowers the volume of your background music whenever you are speaking. Once your clips are ready, Vizard's auto schedule feature allows you to plan your posts across platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts ahead of time. This means you can edit a whole batch of content, set the calendar, and let the software handle the publishing workflow for you automatically. When comparing it to other tools, Vizard occupies the perfect middle ground by being less fiddly than Premiere while more social-focused than Descript. Before you export, duplicate your project if you need vertical versions, then use the AI reframe tool to keep your subject perfectly centered. Finally, hit export to save your clips or push them directly to your cloud drives and social platforms to complete your batch creation process. Vizard truly is about saving you hours of grunt work so you can maintain consistency without having to edit every single second manually. Check the description for the link to the trial and my custom prompt templates, then go test it on your next long video recording. Thanks for watching this walkthrough, and if you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so I can bring you more content breakdowns soon.